back to my channel. Well, I missed you all so much. I hope everyone had a wonderful and happy, blessed Easter. We did, but we have been working on this fence project. We had a privacy fence all along the back anyway, and don't pay attention to the pool. We just uncovered it because there's a big, tall oak tree that's in our neighbor's yard right there, and it just puts tons of its little catkins all over, so we have to cover it for about a month. So we just took that off, but like I was saying, we had a privacy fence up, but we wanted to fix it. It had started drooping, so we're in the process of going ahead and putting all new pickets down through here. We spent the day reworking, well, several days reworking the structure of it, and now that's what we're going to do. We still have a lot to do, so I don't know if I'll be able to put up a video like a DIY or anything today, so I thought I wanted to give you something. So we're trying to get our backyard prepared for spring, and this is what I have an issue right here. The neighbor put a very tall building with 2 windows, and I really don't like it looking down over the pool like that. So I'm going to I've purchased some of these, and then there's my rose bush, but and we have stuff in here. That's my little bird bath that I redid. I have a video on that, but I need to put some more flowers in that. But these are what are the name of these? I think it's like a skyrocket Japanese holly, and I'm thinking about taking it, and then I have this. This is Carolina jasmine, and I'm going to take that. I think we planted, the backyard is a mess, so you'll have to excuse it. We planted this crepe myrtle, but it just last year, but it didn't get tall enough to block this building that he put there. So what I'm thinking about doing is building this ground up with some little stone-like things that we have, and then putting the Japanese skyrocket holly, and maybe like 3 of those, and then putting some of that jasmine on something to kind of block that, and then naturally I'll have to put something in my pretty little container there. But that is what we're doing, and I know it's not like what you used to see, but we're family, so I thought I would show you what I had been up to. And like I said, we redid the infrastructure, and then I thought I'd show you my little hibiscus. I love it. So I don't know if you're going to get anything. Like I said, I don't think you're going to get a DIY today. Probably just this little update. The reason we decided to do the fence was because we were going by Lowe's one day, and we saw this lumber, and it was on sale. It was regular. How much was it, honey?
$700 or something.
$700 and some dollars. And wait one second. And we got it for $51. So that was a steal. So anytime you're at Lowe's, check out the areas to see what you might be able to find, because this wood is really good. I mean, it just had just a little bit of mold on it, but we sprayed it with Clorox and it came right off. So I'm really happy with how it's turned out. But I'll see you tomorrow for Planner Wednesday, and then we'll get back on schedule. Love you guys. Miss you all. If you enjoyed what we did this weekend, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time. Bye, guys.